How to set up TikTok Shop for creators. Setting up a TikTok Shop for creators enables direct product sales, monetizing content, and expanding brand reach. Now, if you want to do that, then this is the video for you. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and use this particular account right here because we need to have at least 1,000 followers for this one. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and tap these three lines at the top, and then you're going to go ahead and choose Creator Tools. Alright, after tapping Creator Tools, you're going to go ahead and see here TikTok Shop for Creators. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that one. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and hit apply. Okay, start earning. Alright, from this one, this is going to be optional, so I'm just going to go ahead and cancel this one. Now here we are right now. As you can see, you have here different products. Now you can go ahead and start promoting these one. So you can just go ahead and click create a video, and then you can go ahead and choose between the following, whether your camera or a CapCut tool. So I'm going to go ahead and choose camera, for example. Alright, click continue and add product. Now here in the product, you're going to go ahead and choose from the following. So I'm going to choose the marketplace, and then here in the marketplace, I'm just going to go ahead and search for random product. Say for example, the product that I'm going to be using is this one here. I'm just going to go ahead and click add once more. Alright, now there you go. You can edit this one, and I think it's going to be the best if you are going to personalize this one. However, this time for the sake of tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and click add. Alright, and then you can go ahead and start capturing your own video. So say for example, I'm just going to go ahead and capture a very random video here. Alright, and done. Okay, everyone, click next. Okay, and there you go. If I were to post this one just like so, click OK, and then click my profile in order for us to see it. Alright, we should see it something like this. Now, if I were to click this here, you should see that I have this added already to my cart, and that's just how simple it is, everybody. So congratulations, that is how you're going to set up TikTok Shop for creators. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.